Best Under-Desk Pedal Exerciser. Are you looking for the best under-desk pedal exerciser? In this video we will look at some of the best under-desk pedal exerciser on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DeskCycle 2 Under-Desk Bike. The DeskCycle Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser is a compact and quiet exercise solution designed for home or office use, allowing users to stay active even while sitting. It fits easily under most desks, with a pedal height as low as 9 inches for the standard version and an even lower setting with the adjustable height model, making it perfect for use with desks as low as 27 inches tall. Powered by a magnetic resistance mechanism, the DeskCycle operates smoothly and silently, minimizing distractions whether you're working, reading, or watching TV. It features 8 adjustable resistance levels, enabling users to customize their workouts from easy, light pedaling to more intense exercise. This flexibility makes it suitable for people of all fitness levels, from rehabilitation patients to fitness enthusiasts looking to burn extra calories during the day. The DeskCycle includes a large 5-function display that tracks speed, time, distance, calories burned, and scan mode, helping users monitor their progress easily. It can also be upgraded with an optional desk stand for easier screen visibility on a desk. Built for durability, the DeskCycle has a solid steel frame and high-quality components, ensuring stability and long-term use. The pedals are designed with adjustable straps for secure footing during workouts. Its compact size and portability make it easy to move or store when not in use. Overall, the DeskCycle Under-Desk Bike is praised for its smooth operation, quietness, and effectiveness in promoting physical activity during otherwise sedentary periods. It's ideal for anyone looking to improve circulation, boost energy, increase calorie burn, or maintain general fitness without interrupting daily activities. Highly rated by office workers and remote employees, the DeskCycle offers an easy, efficient way to stay active throughout the workday. Number 2. Flexispot Home Office Height Adjustable Cycle Desk Bike. The Flexispot V9 3-in-1 exercise bike is a versatile fitness solution combining a stationary exercise bike, a pedal exerciser, and a height-adjustable workstation into one heavy-duty design. Built to support users up to 350 pounds, it's perfect for those who want to stay active while working, studying, or relaxing at home. The bike features a large, adjustable desktop that easily moves forward, backward, up, and down to accommodate different body sizes and sitting preferences. This creates a comfortable workstation where users can type, write, or browse the internet while pedaling. The spacious desktop is sturdy enough for laptops, notebooks, and office essentials. Powered by a whisper-quiet magnetic resistance system, the Flexispot V9 offers 8 adjustable resistance levels, allowing users to customize their workout intensity. It runs smoothly and silently, making it ideal for shared spaces where noise could be an issue. The built-in LCD display tracks essential stats like time, speed, distance, calories burned, and RPMs, helping users stay motivated and monitor their progress throughout the day. The bike's adjustable seat provides cushion comfort and adapts to a wide range of heights. It's easy to move thanks to built-in rollers, and its compact design ensures it fits well in homes or offices without taking up much space. The Flexispot V9 is praised for its ease of assembly, sturdy construction, smooth pedaling motion, and dual functionality as both a bike and a workstation. It offers a practical solution for anyone looking to blend fitness with productivity, particularly remote workers, students, or anyone with a sedentary lifestyle. Overall, the Flexispot V9 3-in-1 provides a high-quality, space-saving option for those aiming to stay healthier and more active without sacrificing work or study time. Number 3. Vaunn Folding Pedal Exerciser. The Vaunn Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser is a lightweight, compact exercise device designed for low-impact physical therapy, rehabilitation, and gentle fitness activities at home or in the office. Ideal for seniors, people recovering from injuries, or anyone looking for a simple way to stay active, it allows users to pedal while seated at a desk, couch, or chair. This pedal exerciser features an easy-to-use electronic display that tracks workout metrics such as time, distance, total count, and calories burned, helping users monitor their progress and stay motivated. The display is large and easy to read, making it accessible for users of all ages. Built with a sturdy and stable frame, the Vaunn pedal exerciser stays firmly in place during use. It's designed with non-skid rubber feet to prevent slipping on floors and a wide base for added stability, providing a safer workout experience. Despite its solid build, the unit is lightweight and easily portable, making it convenient to move from room to room or to store away when not in use. The Vaunn Desk Bike offers adjustable resistance, allowing users to customize the intensity of their workouts based on fitness level or rehabilitation needs. Users can easily turn a tension knob to increase or decrease resistance, making it flexible for both gentle physical therapy and slightly more vigorous exercise. Assembly is minimal and straightforward, requiring no complicated setup. It's particularly well suited for light cardio, improving circulation, strengthening muscles, and enhancing joint flexibility, especially for people with limited mobility. Overall, the Vaunn Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser is a simple, affordable, and effective way to incorporate more movement into daily life, offering health benefits with minimal strain. It's a popular choice for anyone seeking easy-to-use, space-saving indoor exercise equipment. Number 4. Stamina Inmotion Elliptical. The Stamina Inmotion Compact Strider is a versatile and space-saving exercise machine designed for both seated and standing workouts, making it ideal for home, office, or small space use. As an under-desk elliptical, it allows users to stay active while working, reading, or watching TV, promoting better circulation, calorie burn, and overall fitness throughout the day. The Strider offers a low-impact elliptical motion, which is gentle on the knees, hips, and back, making it an excellent choice for users seeking joint-friendly exercise. It features adjustable tension controls, letting users customize the intensity of their workout with a simple turn of a dial. Whether you prefer light, easy movement or a more challenging resistance level, the Strider can adapt to your fitness goals. It's equipped with a multifunction monitor that tracks important workout stats, including strides per minute, total strides, exercise time, and calories burned. This helps users stay motivated and aware of their progress. The monitor is easy to operate and read, enhancing the overall workout experience. The textured pedals provide a secure grip whether users are pedaling forward or in reverse, allowing for greater variety in targeting different muscle groups. The machine's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to move and store, while its sturdy construction ensures stability during use. Ideal for users of all fitness levels, from beginners to more advanced exercisers, the Stamina Inmotion Compact Strider is praised for its quiet operation, simple setup, and flexibility for either standing or seated use. It's especially popular among remote workers and those looking to add extra movement to otherwise sedentary routines. Overall, the Stamina Inmotion Strider delivers an affordable, convenient, and low-impact way to improve cardiovascular health, muscle tone, and daily activity levels without taking up much space. Number 5. DeskCycle Ellipse Under Desk Elliptical. The DeskCycle Ellipse Leg Exerciser is a premium under-desk elliptical machine designed to help users stay active while sitting at a desk, on a couch, or even while watching TV. Offering a smooth, low-impact elliptical motion, it's perfect for improving circulation, burning calories, boosting energy, and strengthening leg muscles, all without interrupting work or daily activities. Built with a high-quality magnetic resistance system, the Ellipse operates extremely quietly and smoothly, making it ideal for use in shared or quiet environments like offices. It features 8 adjustable resistance levels, allowing users to customize the intensity of their workouts, from light, easy movement to more challenging, muscle-toning sessions. The machine includes a large LCD display that tracks time, speed, distance, calories burned, and RPMs. It's designed for easy reading and convenient tracking of workout progress. Users can also purchase an optional display stand, making it even easier to see workout stats without bending down. The DeskCycle Ellipse is praised for its exceptional stability, thanks to its sturdy, compact design and heavy flywheel. The wide pedals are textured to prevent slipping and allow for comfortable use with different shoe types or even barefoot. Assembly is simple, typically requiring just a few minutes, and the compact size makes it easy to slide under most desks or store out of sight when not in use. Its whisper-quiet performance and smooth elliptical stride distinguish it from many cheaper under-desk pedal machines. Overall, the DeskCycle Ellipse is ideal for office workers, students, seniors, or anyone looking to incorporate more movement into their daily routine without the need for a full-sized exercise machine. It's a top choice for those wanting an easy, comfortable, and highly effective way to stay active while seated.